Hey guys, as you know, I am on a quest to make $100,000 in a year using things like Amazon and YouTube, and I'm posting about it every day until I do. Yesterday on Amazon and my 3 monetized YouTube channels, I made $38.98. So this is definitely one of my lower days. It's actually only about a third of what I've been making on average since starting this challenge. I think on average I'm making somewhere like 93, 94, up with the number right here. But that means over the course of this challenge so far, I've made this much. And of course, I need to make $274 per day to make $100,000 in a year. So have a long way to go there. And some people ask me sometimes, like, how do I keep on going? Like, knowing that I have so far to go, how am I motivated to keep on going towards this challenge? I'm like almost halfway through this challenge right now, and I'm not even making a third of what I really need to make in order to make $100,000 in a year. And the thing is, like, some people have said, hey, you should try something else. You've spent so much time in this. There's faster ways to make money and these kinds of things. And that's definitely true. Like, this is not the fastest way to make money. I've never said that YouTube or Amazon are the fastest ways to make money. They can be good ways to make money, but they're definitely not the fastest. And if you really want to level up your income, if that's your primary goal, just to make more money, then maybe getting a certification or becoming a plumber or becoming, getting into a trade of some kind. There's way faster ways to make money. The thing is, though, I love this. It's fun. I love the idea of being a content creator. I love the idea of reviewing products as like just everyday products. I mean, these kinds of things are fun to me. So it started off as a hobby and it became something that actually makes a little bit of income. My wife says it like this, like some people as their hobby, they watch football. They'll watch football religiously every, is it Monday night, Sunday, every Thanksgiving? I don't know what it is because I don't watch football. So, but the thing is, my hobby makes a little bit of money. And that's what she'll say. Like when she's trying to justify it to other people, they'll be like, well, he does all this, only makes so much money. Or maybe they don't know how much money they make, but they just assume that I make nothing at all. They say he spends so much time on it. I'm like, yeah. I mean, do you guys watch football? And a lot of times they say, yeah, I spend so much time on that. I'm like, well, my hobby actually makes a little bit of money. Like they spend a lot of money on their hobby. Mine actually makes a little bit of money. So it's not like I'm in this for the money. I mean, yes, I like to see it grow. Yes, the part of the challenge is to see if I can make $100,000 in a year. But I enjoy just the process. And that's really how you're going to succeed on YouTube or on Amazon doing these review products and these kinds of things. You have to learn to enjoy the process. Do you enjoy the process? Whatever business field you're in, do you enjoy it? Because if it's just about the money, yeah, the motivation could wane. But if you enjoy it, then it doesn't matter how much money it makes. You just enjoy doing it. So that's my challenge to you. Hey, if I can do it, you can do it too. I'm just an average guy.